Good day. I am the owner of this land and I agree to sell to you for the agreed price of 5 million pesos under the terms stated in this contract. Thank you. I have reviewed the terms and I agree to purchase the land for 5 million pesos subject to the conditions outlined. I confirm that I will provide all necessary documents, including the title deed, and transfer clear ownership to you upon the full payment. I understand, and once the full payment is made, the title is transferred, I will take up possession of the land. Then we both agree to the legal bond by this contract. Yes, we agree and will sign today the contract. Okay, take a minute. Hello, this scenario is a contract of sale of land because it